10 health later. Nice. And well, they did not. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm gonna get some food, bro. What do you mean? I'm your friend. Okay. Why? Oh, come on. Okay. Then what's happening? Oh. I can see. Oh my god, not again. Yep, bro. Oh my god, I feel so starving. I'm still starving. What do you mean starving? Take this. Oh my god, sounds like perfect. Oh man. Put it in. You bro. Got your smile like that. Oh my, come on. Time to watch YouTube. Ah!
More than one pony knows how to help. Pinkie Pie. Or...
Wait, I am in my cap. In here, bro.
Ones you want. Twilight Sparkle.
No,
And Fluttershy. The chase is on.
Oh, no. No, I can't.
Honeyville. Home sweet home.
Ah!
A stolen piece of window has been spotted. Prepare to chase, changeling.
I get to my stomach. Oh, come on. Time, YouTube. Time.
Almost there.
Okay, I'm watching
Sparkle can move things with her magic. Use your finger to help guide the object to the right place. Awesome! Almost there. Oh no! Time for the enemy to take a nap with Fluttershy's lullaby bird song. You did!
I can hear it. Did it help? Crap!
Almost there.
We don't know anything. Like I am.
Oh no! Pick a pony.
No.
Who's it gonna be? Twilight?
No, go.
Fluttershy.
I'm here, Stomach.
Something's hidden here. Let's search for it.
Wow. Try this. But I can hear it. But I can hear. You can hear black in my tummy. Can you hear? Yan. Okay, fine. I just hear. Oh my god, my stomach. Okay. Here wants my lift. Can you hear? I am. I'm stomach. Gross. I can eat too much foods and the cookies and chocolate. You can hear? Oh my god. My stomach hurts. I can put my stretching. This is taste my cake. Okay. One last. Oh no, I need to eat. Oh man, I can eat my cupcakes. I can eat so much more. I want chocolate in the shake, the muffins, or the cakes. I don't know. I want to say my gross. Oh, not again! I can hear my prepares. You give me a brain. I can hear my brain. I can hear my brain. What do you mean hear the brain? This. Oh! Okay, one last. house later. Okay, I feel better. That's my plushie. Look at this, is my plushie. Ooh. This one is my plushie. Bang. That's cool. Reminds me of my stomach. Too plushie. Wow, that was cool. I like stomach growling. And where's this plushie? Oh my god, there's plushie. There's another one. This. Plus, that looks good. Another plushie in black. I love it. It's the toys. No brokes. Okay? Nice. Did he love it? Yeah. I am. Okay, that's fine. Let me make you normal. Okay. Turn on your video. I can hear my...
Granny Smith was going to use those carrots for supper. Let's take them all back to her. Yes!
Yes, I love it! I love it, you too.
Almost there.
Yeah, me too. Yes, love it!
Now what?
It's so good.
Fluttershy can talk to all kinds of furry friends and ask them to help.
Yay! Whoa! Diamond! Diamond! Got it, a diamond! Got it! Got it!
You're gaining on it. Too fast for you.
I can hate this. Let me just here.
Take this and put it where it belongs. Piece by piece, we'll find...
Stop. It's too loud. Oh, come. I love stomachs. You heard that so much. That's you most of my shirts. Subscribe if you liked it.